Detailed comparison, DSLR camera versus iPhone 17 Pro. To provide a fair and detailed comparison, I'll use a typical mid-range DSLR as the benchmark. Specifically, the Canon EOS 90D, a popular APS-C DSLR from 2020, still widely used in touring i5 for its balance of features and price. This represents the strengths of DSLRs without going ultra-high-end. The iPhone 17 Pro is Apple's flagship smartphone from September 25, with a sophisticated triple-camera system. DSLRs excel in professional-grade control, image quality in challenging conditions, and lens versatility, but they're bulkier and require more skill. The iPhone 17 Pro shines in convenience, computational photography, and everyday use, closing the gap on smartphones thanks to AI enhancements and high-res sensors. However, it can't fully match a DSLR's raw hardware advantages. Image quality and processing. DSLRs deliver natural results with minimal in-camera editing. Colors and contrasts feel authentic, especially in RAW files. The iPhone 17 Pro's computational photography, e.g. deep fusion for texture, Smart HDR5 for balanced exposure, produces vibrant, share-ready JPEGs, but can look over-processed in CG, smooth skin in portraits. In blind tests, DSLRs win for realism, while iPhones excel in consistency across lighting. For example, the iPhone's telephoto at 8x rivals a DSLR kit lens, but softens a digital zoom beyond that. Versatility for scenarios. Portraits/landscapes, DSLR's interchangeable lenses, e.g. 85mm f1.4 for creamy bokeh, outperform the iPhone's simulated depth, but iPhone's LiDAR scanner creates DSLR-like subject separation. Action or sports. DSLR's burst rate 10 FPS on 90D and viewfinder beat the iPhone's 120 FPS bursts, but cropped. Travel every day. iPhone dominates, ultra-wide for architecture, macro mode for close-ups, all in one device. Low light Astro. DSLR pulls ahead with larger sensors. iPhone's night mode is impressive but noisier. Video production, the iPhone 17 Pro is a pro tool now, with on 20 FPS log for color grading in DaVinci Resolve. Better than most DSLRs without upgrades. DSLRs shine in external monitoring and longer clips without overheating. Ecosystem and future-proofing. iPhone integrates seamlessly with editing apps, e.g. Lightroom, and shares to social media instantly. DSLRs require a bag of gear, but last 5 or 10 years with lens investments. In 2025, smartphones like the iPhone have narrowed the gap by 70-80% for non-pros, but DSLRs remain essential for print work or harsh environments. Who should choose what? Pick a DSLR if you're a hobbyist pro photographer needing ultimate control, low light prowess, or specialized lenses, e.g. wildlife, events. Pick iPhone 17 Pro for casual/vlogging use, where portability and AI smarts matter more than raw power. Hybrid approach. Many pros carry both, an iPhone for scouting, quick shots, DSLR for the real work.